Hello guys and welcome to my channel, and on this video I'm gonna show you what to do in case mouse is not working on Windows 11. But before we start this video, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button because I'm trying to reach 1000 subs as fast as possible, so don't forget to subscribe. So if your mouse is stuck on your screen and is not working, this fix also works for mouse keeps freezing from time to times, but you can follow my steps also for that problem. Press and hold Windows key plus R, and here you're gonna need to type this command that you're gonna find in the article down below in the description. You're gonna find every single step in this command over here and press enter. And here you have to press tab once, and then with the down arrow you have to find mice and other points devices, and after that you have to press right arrow, and here you're gonna find only a mouse driver, but in my case I'm on a virtual machine and I have 3 different tabs, but for you it's gonna be only one. Go into that one by pressing down arrow, and after that press enter, and you are right here, and you have to press tab once again, twice, 3 times, and you have to go into driver and tab again until you find uninstall device. Press enter on uninstall device, and once again you have to press enter. I don't need to do this right now, but I'm gonna do it anyways. And as you can see, do you want to restart your computer? You have to press yes. If you don't have this message on your screen, you can restart your computer manually, and after that your mouse will work. This was the whole video for today. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. I was Buzz from BuzzTech. Until next time, have a nice day.